So I'm replacing my stock battery box with a Optima box from Wild Horses, and there it is. So it comes uncoated. You do have to paint it or powder coat it. I just shot it with some primer and Rust-Oleum. It'd been better to powder coat it. It's a fairly straightforward install, but there's no instructions with it. So what I did, if you're just replacing your stock box, is take your stock box out. You do need the speed nuts that either remain or get some new ones. I'd already replaced my box with a stock one, and now I'm putting the Optima in, so those speed nuts are pretty new. And essentially what you're going to be doing is drilling 2 holes 6 1/4 inches apart. That's the spacing there that you need. And for me, what worked is to come in about 3/4 of an inch and then go 6 1/4 to that one. The reason why you need to do that is because the Optima sits flat on the tray, and you need to have the bolts will stick through the tray, or the bolt heads are rather like this, so they need to hit in these voids in the battery. So one will be about right here and one there. So if you just drill holes in your tray center, like I was about to do, center line, and just center everything up, you'll end up where your bolt heads will be hitting the bottom of your battery, which you don't want to happen. So the magic spacing is 6 1/4, and so they'll fall right about in there. So this is the box installed, and it's using 2 5/16 bolts 1.5 long, and I just used 2 lock washers. Use some stainless steel bolts. And here it is installed. So the top's just held down with some 5/32 Allen head bolts, and they're around coated so they don't rust on me. But yeah, really nice setup, really strong, good quality stuff. Wish they would offer it in powder coated black, because I guess most people are doing black. But yeah, it's definitely worth the money. This is a Optima 35A or Optima 35 size battery. It's great.